VSEE stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First things first, Vsee Health. I know it's down 2%, but let's look at the broader picture because this is where most people just completely die off. Higher time frame, it's also bearish. I mean, I'm not saying this in a like a look, I got you away. No, I'm just saying, just trying to be realistic. I'm trying to be kind and not nice. In this instance, these are the all-time lows that I saw. And currently, only if I see the price taking up above 143, am I going to look, to further take things up. But other than that, this is just such a bearish market. Like, I know people like to overcomplicate stuff, but without it actually giving me a double break, why the heck would I look to take it down? That's why in the meantime, all I'm doing is I'm waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, so I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.